We're going to be doing a sensor change with the Freestyle Libre, and in our box here we have the sensor and applicator, and just at the side here we have our reader. So let's open up the box and see what we've got inside. Instructions. Okay, so there's the applicator, and inside here is the sensor. Out. And also inside here is a pre-injection swab. This little wipe just to wipe the area before it goes on. So that's the very first thing, referring to the instructions, that's the very first thing that we must do. So let's give our area a wipe. So now we're going to get the sensor and applicator put together, and we start with this. This is our sensor pack, and we peel that off, and then we go to the applicator, and that simply unscrews. And what we need to be careful to do here, is we can see there that there is a gap running down there. That sits at the front of the sensor, just there. So we put these two together, thusly, and push until it clicks in place. That's all the way down. I cannot push that any further even if I tried. Now the sensor is in the applicator. Now you see the sensor with the needle attached in there. This is now ready to go on to our spot. So now we're going to apply the sensor to the arm. Okay, so this is our chosen site here. It's a recommended site. It's the back of the arm. It's nice and flashy. You can see pretty much where there's been some sensors applied before. So I'm going to try and avoid those exact areas. I can see just around here, this looks like a good spot. Now this is the bit where parents usually get involved when the kids are having these things, because it does actually require quite a firm push to get the sensor into place. Okay, so brace the child's arm and push all the way in, nice and firm, good strong click, and remove the applicator. Let's just go around the edges here and make sure that this is all firmly down and in place, and that looks absolutely spot on. And how did that feel?
Don't feel a thing.
There you go. You can apply the sensor up to 24 hours before to make sure that it's properly embedded. And here we go, we're going to activate the sensor now. So I'm going to turn on the reader, and the reader says start new sensor. I'm going to touch that one, and sensor can be used in 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, we can press the button to turn on the Libre, bring it close to the sensor, and it gives our reading. There we go.